Okay, so today you're doing your lab quiz. Basically what you have to do is you have to measure out 50 grams of the copper sulfate substance. You need 100 milliliters of water. You then combine them together and bring them to the prescribed temperature. We want at least 90 degrees, but I'll explain how to do that in class. So now we have our solution. It's nice and hot, and we're ready to do the next step. We're going to do the filtration. Now the way filtration works is pretty simple. You simply take your hot solution.
Carol Anders, if you're still in the building, please call extension 1304.
Okay. And then you pour it into the filter paper. Make sure you don't overflow the top. So pour it in there. Let it run through the filter. What this does is it gets any pieces of dirt or other impurities out of there. This will help us to grow a better crystal. Alright, so you pour it all in there. And we see that we get a nice, really clear blue solution, and all the dirt and crud is trapped in the filter paper. Alright, once it's done filtering, we will then lift our funnel out of there and put the whole funnel with the filter paper in it in the sink. Okay, now we have a nice crystal clear solution of copper sulfate. The next thing you will do then is open up your drawer and set the large petri dish in there. Okay, so we got her in there. Take the lid off. Now you will pour your solution carefully in the petri dish. We do it in the drawer so that we don't have any chance of spilling it. Pour it all in there. And then we need a seed crystal. So you will take your micro spatula. Someone will walk over to the seed crystal dish and pick out a seed crystal. Stay away from the ones that have this white powder on them. That means they've reacted with the water vapor in the air. Try to get a nice seed crystal that looks pretty good. One that's just nice and blue. Then you take it over, put it right smack dab in the center, just like that. And then you very carefully close it up. And then you close the drawer. And ladies and gentlemen, then we wait. Okay? And that's the copper sulfate lab quiz. For cleanup, you'll need to rinse this out very well with water. As far as the filter paper goes, take your tweezers, grab the filter paper out of there. You don't want to touch the copper sulfate. If you do happen to get it on you, just simply rinse your hands off with water. Throw the filter paper out, and also make sure that you rinse off the funnel, and you also rinse out the cup that we use to catch the filtration. Okay? Make sure everything's nice and neat when you're done. Check the picture and then have a seat. Okay, good luck.